Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. All right, hang out here with me because my computer screen just cracked, and you probably can't see it on here, but it is hard to see things. So, give me a chance at explaining this assignment this week. This week we are going to calculate interest on purchases because we've been talking about credit and borrowing all this week. So, I gave you guys the formula. Some of these things you might purchase down the road. So, in order to calculate interest equals P times R times T. All right. And interest is principal times interest rate times the number of years. All right. This is a very important calculation as you guys try to start purchasing things. So, for example, if we had a cash loan here, all right, for $100, what we are going to do is we look at the interest rate, 40% interest rate over a half a year. All right. So, how would you do this? All right. You would go in here, you would type 100. Because 100 is your what? Is your principal. Then you multiply it by your interest rate. Your interest rate is 40%. All right. To calculate that, all right, to calculate 40% in decimal terms, it is 0.4. All right. So multiply that by 0.4. Okay. And then you multiply. Finally, what do you multiply it by? Your time. How long does this? How long of a time do you have to pay this back? So for this one, it is half a year. All right, so a half a year in decimal terms would be 0.5. All right, so 0.5. So what you're going to do is multiply that by 0.5, and that's going to give you the interest. You are paying $20 on that $100 of a cash loan. That $20 goes here. And to figure out how much total amount will be repaid, you do $100, which is your principal, plus your interest, which is $20, and that gives you $120. All right. You have a couple other equations down here for a big screen TV, a college loan, and a new Chevy Silverado. All right, so remember when you do 7% here, will it be 0.7? No, it'll be 0.07. All right, 0.7 would be 70%. So that's what you got to focus on. All right, so if you guys need help with anything, please let me know, and I will help you guys out. All right, have a good one, and you may email me at any time.